For good health, it's important to live a meaningful life. And I think I found it. I found the meaning of life. It's love. It's not just a romantic love, but your ability to give and receive love unconditionally. That's it. There is no greater purpose, there is no greater meaning, but love your life unconditionally. This is a feeling that I love my life as it is, and I feel grateful for what I have. And keep reminding yourself about it, because it's so easy to forget and become disconnected from your love and from the greater meaning, because the meaning of life is love. One other suggestion I can share with you to love your life, to start loving your life unconditionally, is to give love to yourself. It's so important to love yourself, because you can't love your life as a process of life if you don't love yourself. I give you this exercise to do every morning. Every time you get up in the morning and you go to the bathroom, and then you look at the bathroom mirror, connect to your own eyes and say, I love you, and say your name. And say 10 times, looking into your own eyes, and say, I love you, Arena. I love you, or whatever your name is. And notice how you feel when you start doing this exercise, because many people told me that they feel uncomfortable when they start telling I love you to yourself. They're so used to give love to other people, but when it comes to give love to myself, it becomes so foreign to them that they can't do it. But this is a criteria that you need to work on self-love, because loving yourself is a part of loving your life and a part of having a greater meaning in life, because love is the greatest meaning of life.